Everybody, we still have extreme danger in the crypto markets, and I want to give you a quick synopsis of what to expect in this update. First, XRP is sub 36 cents. It's down to as low as about 35.40 with USDT and up around 35.96 with some of the USD pairings. The USDC token, so the USDC stablecoin, is still depegged from the dollar. It got back as high as about 98.5 yesterday, but now it's back below 955. It's right around the 95 level right now. So it's creating very much so a lot of volatility in the crypto markets. We have the futures coming back online tonight. But XRP, Bitcoin, total crypto market cap is it's not getting slaughtered, but we're in a very, very volatile spot right now. We had a big sell order of Ethereum last night of like 27,000, which is, in the grand scheme of things, it is what it is. But as far as XRP goes right now, XRP is catching a bit downward, and it's down below the 35.5 level. And it's not looking very good right now. So we need to get an urgent update here on the XRP Daily Technical Analysis. I'll keep you guys updated with what I see. Make sure to hit that like button, as it will greatly help push me through the analytics, and it will help more and more people get here. Our clocks went forward an hour last night because we had the forward, so we lost an hour of sleep. So right now you're used to it being 9:58 a.m. where I'm at. Right now it's actually 10:58 a.m., which means the flip of the clock, instead of happening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, will now be once again at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So everything's moved forward about an hour. So if you're around the world, get used to what we do in the USA with our clock forward and then fall back. It's the dumbest thing ever. So once again, make sure to hit that like button as we dig deeper into what's going on in the world of crypto. Catch you on the other side of the intro. Good morning, 10:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, March 12th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So as we can see, USDT is up to 101.011128. And we've got the more important story is United States digital currency is down to about 95.5. And we had an initial pull down the other day, down to about 85. We pulled all the way back up to 98.3. Then we came back down to 93.5. Now it's going to be, can we hold this area of 957 and push up, or are we going to continue to fall back down? Very volatile start with crypto right now. Before the futures opens tonight, this is a very volatile moment. A lot of crypto decided to scoot its way up just a tiny bit, not all of it, but some of it last night. As you see, XLM kind of caught a little bit of a bid, but nothing much. It got on top of this level, and it could possibly come up to this 804, which it's right at right now. So with XLM, if you're a fan of XLM, I'd just be looking to see if we can break out through this area, or if we're going to get rejected, because right now we're getting perfectly rejected. And then if we pull back down, this is going to end up making lower lows here. This yellow line is going to be the next area we come into, which would be about the 709. It doesn't look great. We have the 8037 that if we could break out above, which we can see on both of the charts now, that if it broke up above here with the USDT and slightly higher on the USD chart, we could try to push out of the area, but we're at major, major resistance. When we look at XRP, we're coming down to this downtrending support line on the the perpetual futures chart, which is a very important support line. This is one you do not want to lose. Otherwise, this is where you can get into those very big bearish tendencies. You start to break below this area right here where you're at right now at this 355 we were calling it. Now it's about the 354. Your next level is going to be to come down here to about the 335. And then the bottom of this formation on this descending triangle is all the way down at 12478. So this is very critical right now, ladies and gentlemen. If we break back into here, this is a very, very, very bearish signal. And it looks like we're on our way to get back down into this zone. And this would be the ultimate bearish sign right now. As XRP is barely holding on to 35 cents. When it comes to USDT, it's at 35,109, down 3.29%. XRP USD is up to, it's at 3585. That's not because United States digital currency, it's pumping in any kind of way compared to USDT. That's simply because United States digital currency, the values got taken out of it. It's only worth 95.5 cents on the dollar right now, which means you're getting a 4.5% difference in theory. Right now you can see it's a little bit, it's not as strong as that, but that's why the price seemingly is higher in USD. We're barely holding on to 35 cents in USDT though. So we'll see what happens here. We're very volatile with XRP. And our next layer of support, which we are coming down to very quickly as we're breaking down this 356 double bottom, or at least this bottom here that we put in on March 10th. Our next level of support is going to be around that 35 cents, ladies and gentlemen. So 35 cents right now is our next support, and then our next nearest after that is about 333. We're in some trouble here, folks. We're in some trouble here, and if we do decide to pull down this next layer, this is where we can get some catastrophic drops once again. XRP is only about 7 cents above the low since we came down from December of 2021. The bull run of 2021, we went to $1.98. We're now down substantially from $1.98. And now we're hovering around that. We're below 36 cents right now. And this could become very dangerous very quickly for XRP. And this is an extreme warning this morning. XRP is pulling down right now. If we lose that 35 cents, next we have 368 or 346. And then we got about 34 cents. And then we got that 335 area. I'm telling you, we're running out of support areas right now. And this, you could call it a descending triangle. The uptrending support right now is at about 34 cents. Once you lose that 34 cents, this just gets extremely, extremely more volatile. So please pay attention to XRP. We're hitting this extreme area if we break down below, which it looks like we have right now at that 35.40. If we break below here, that's a major bearish signal. And we've talked about this for a while. It's just we were so far above this when we came up here to 40 cents that we had to work our way back down. But now if we lose this downtrending support and it goes back into resistance, look out below. Look out below. We'd be testing the 33 cent very imminently. With Bitcoin, again, very hard to tell where we're at because the USDT, USDC, and all of it is all fucked up. Right now we have the 20,413 support that I would be paying very close attention to if I was you with Bitcoin. And then if we somehow were to break up that 20,965, but if we lose this 20,413, it's a very volatile stretch down. Whoops. I went to the wrong chart. Very volatile push down though. You lose 20,413. The next area is 20,116. We've already lost a lot of this support over here. So we're going to need to break back up above 20,965 and try to break up in this area of about 22,200 to try to reverse this. If not, if we lose 20,413 and then ultimately 20,119 area, you're coming down here again to 17,700 approximately. And that would be in a very quick and swift motion. This looks very bad. It looks like some of these cryptos started to form like a rising channel last night before I went to bed, like XRP, and then it just tanked. And it was a very short term right here. It looked like a little rising channel was starting to form, and then boom. And right now it looks very, very bearish. I mean, this is very urgent for everybody. This is a very serious update right now. So I hope you're paying attention. We'll end with DGB, and then I'm going to release this so you guys can see. But XRP, XLM, Bitcoin, crypto was under a lot of pressure this morning. DGB's at 00879. We got this very important uptrending support, which is why we have to talk about it today, because we've already lost the 0085. It looks like we're going to lose. Now, if we lose this uptrending support at 0080, then you've got this overextension down here at 00801. After you break this 0085 or 84, 85. You break that, it's off to the races. And then if you lose the 802, look out below. There's not much below that. There really isn't. DGB does not have much of a support structure when you break this. And if you break that, your next level would be about the 747. So please, please, everybody, pay attention this morning. I don't see how Monday morning is just going to magically fix everything with what happened with Silicon Valley Bank. It doesn't seem like this is possible to just fix this really quickly. USDC, as I released yesterday and showed everybody, it has an 8% of its money was basically I call it an 8% stake in Silicon Valley Bank. As 8% of their money, they were invested into the bank, or they had their money sitting there, which was worth $3.3 billion. The problem with that is it's only FDIC insured up to $250,000. So that means $3.265 billion is going to be lost, and that's user money. So make sure you understand what that means. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this update, make sure to hit that like button. Also, consider subscribing and joining the more than 15,600 subscribers, but the like button really does help push me through the analytics. If you want to trade XRP on BitGet and or MEXC, make sure you keep your liquid cash on UPHOLD because it stays in USD. You don't have to go into a stable coin. It just stays in your native fiat. And then on BitGet and MEXC, if you want to send something over there, it's spot free to buy and sell. And that's why I advise you to do that and then send it back to your native exchanges. Hashtag be better, do better. Hashtag the FUD stops here. And remember, help one person each and every day. Because if I don't do my part and you don't do your part, what the hell is the point? And we live by one simple motto here. Hashtag be better, do better.